The wiper washer system on this vehicle offers several modes to suit a variety of conditions. Push the wiper stalk up to the mist position to manually run the windshield wipers at high speed until the stalk is released. Push the stalk down one step below the off position to engage intermittent mode. You can change the frequency of sweeps in intermittent mode with the adjustment ring. Pushing the stalk down another notch turns the wipers on at low speed. And when the stalk is pushed all the way down, high-speed wiping is engaged. To use the windshield washer, pull back on the stalk. The washers will stream until the stalk is released. Note that on models with the multi-view camera system, pulling the stalk back also squirts washer fluid on the front camera lens. The rear wiper and washer are activated by turning the knob on the end of the stalk. Rotating the knob down to the washer icon and holding it makes the rear wiper sweep and sprays fluid on the rear window and rear camera lens. Turn the knob to INT to engage intermittent mode with the rear wiper. When turned on, the rear wiper moves continuously. And rotating the knob to that washer icon at the bottom does the same thing as the top washer icon.